Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome to the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for staying tuned. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can remove any glue, any lace glue, without spending any money, without using alcohol, without using any glue remover. I used bold old glue to lace this hair, but this process can work for any type of glue. All you need to do is to use what you already have at home. So I will be using Vaseline, the Vaseline that everyone knows. This thing is so powerful. Like, just put it in your hair, let the wig soak it. My dear, this really work magic. Like, I was so uncomfortable with this hair. I had to stay in the middle of the night after my tutorial, my makeup tutorial. Like, I was going to remove this hair and I have nothing to use. Then I was like, okay, let me try this Vaseline. Lo and behold, it work, but you have to do this gently so as to not pull your hair. So you have to rub it in gently and let it soak into the hair before pulling it. If not, you are going to pull it hard and it's going to affect your forehead. It's going to affect your edges. So if you think it's not enough, just keep putting it, keep adding more. And if you want to remove it, just put your finger inside the way I'm doing it and bring the gum out. That's how you remove it. Don't just pull. Rub your finger inside it, then bring it out like I did. That's the best way to do it. Just keep adding more. Like, I don't think I need to talk again. Just watch the process. Okay, just keep doing that, then you'll finish everything. You can see how I'm pulling it, like it's already soaked. So if you do it like that, in no time you remove everything. So I repeated the same step to the other side of my head. Then I just kept rubbing the Vaseline in. Like, I was waiting for it to actually soak it in so that it will be easy to remove. After you have added the Vaseline, you want to wait for like 1 minute or like 2 minutes for it to actually soak into your hair so that you don't struggle with the pulling. See this other side, it has already soaked, so it is so easy to pull. Like, I want you guys to see how I did everything. You can see how easy that was. So that side was a bit giving me stress, so I added a little bit of Vaseline before I pull it. I rub it in very well, then I pull. That's how easy it can be. Oh my god, that hair was giving me so much trouble because the gum was too much and I was in pain all through. Guys, you can see that mark on my forehead. That was the result of the hot comb I used in combing the hair. It was just too hot that it burnt me. So if you have any glue left on your head, just keep rubbing the Vaseline. With time, it's going to soak it and you'll be able to just tip it out. Don't pull the gum, it's going to hurt your head. Can you see that mark? I'm like, I'm never going to use any glue on my head again, but lo and behold, I'm making another one next week. So guys, thank you so much for staying tuned. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share my video. Kindly subscribe, guys. Thank you so much.